I'm Alexis Waller. I live in Palm Beach, Florida, and I spend my summers in Cashiers, North Carolina. I'm a mother of 3 children. I've come here every summer of my life. I'm 53 years old, so I've never missed a summer. Cashiers is a lovely small town in the mountains, very lush and green, lots of things to do outside. I recently purchased a designer cottage, the Saltbox, which I adore, and we've had a lot of fun in it this summer. I decided to do the Saltbox because I wanted to do something a little more modern in the mountains. The tiny home lifestyle to me is just such a simple and easy way of living, and space-wise, it's fun. I feel like this house feels like a tree house in nature, and it's quiet, and it's a wonderful, peaceful place to get away from everybody. I stay here sometimes by myself or with friends or with my children, and then I've rented it out some this summer too. I think they're very luxurious, and I think they're incredibly well laid out. Everyone that comes in is so blown away by the appliances, the lighting, the floors, everything about it. For the value, you are really getting attainable luxury.